Good evening, this is Maddie, and tonight I'm going to make a video on how to make a pizza with the Thermomix. I have the Thermomix right here next to the camera so you guys can see clearly what is going on. Okay, so the first step, when you turn on the Thermomix, this is our screen. If we swipe the screen to this side, we're going to see all the function on the Thermomix. But if we swipe the Thermomix to the other side, we're going to the cook I do. And since tonight we're going to make pizza, I'm going to click there and start to enter the word pizza. I probably don't have to enter the word pizza dough, but just pizza. Pizza. And it should give me some option already. So there's several recipes that we probably can see for pizza, but I'm going to make a pizza dough. So I'm gonna click on this recipe and start cooking. The first step is just to light grease, which I already did, a bowl with some olive oil and set aside. I did it. We're going to add 8 ounces of water. Now, as you can see, there is a built-in scale. So all I have to do is take my water and slowly add 8 ounces. I'm just going to check the scale and try to be as precise as I can. Okay, perfect. I got it. I got it correctly. 8 ounces. 1 teaspoon of sugar. I have my sugar right here. It's only 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay. What else? 2 teaspoons of dry instant yeast. Okay. So 2 teaspoons, 1 and 2. Now we have to insert the measuring cup. We have to put the lid on and 20 seconds at speed 2. Meantime, I can put some of my ingredients away. Okay. Next, 14 ounces of bread flour. Once again, when we remove something, we have to remember to bring the scale back to 0. Okay, so I have my big thing of flour and I'm going to add 14 ounces. Oh, June. Okay, 5, 9.9, a little bit more, we have to go to 14, 13.7, and 14. Here we are. Perfect. Okay. Next step, 1 ounce of olive oil. As you can see, the scale is at 0, so all I have to do is add in. Okay, 1 ounce. And I think the last step is 1 teaspoon of salt. My teaspoon here, 1 teaspoon of salt. Perfect. Insert a measuring cup. And believe it or not, now we're gonna start the kneading function. That's all you have to do. Just touch this one up. Meantime, I'm taking everything away that I don't need anymore. And now this is gonna knead for exactly 2 minutes. And imagine that I'm making a pizza dough just by standing here. My kitchen is still perfectly clean. All the ingredients are inside a mixing bowl. I didn't have to pre-measure an ingredient. And this whole process probably is only gonna cost me a few cents to make a pizza dough. But wait to see the result. Okay, 1 more minute to go. 1 more minute to go. I could have cut this part, but I wanted to see really, in reality, how long it really takes to make the pizza dough. So a few more seconds, and another 50 seconds, and it will be done. So what happened right now inside the Thermomix, I wish I could show you, is that the blades are rotating in one direction and in the opposite direction, and that allows a blade to be able to knead, because the blades inside the Thermomix are very special. 20 seconds to go. Okay, then it's ready. 17, and this process can be repeated several times. So if you liked it to make the pizza dough, then you could, few minutes later you can make another. Oh, already done. 2 minutes went by. Okay, place the dough into the prepared bowl. Remember that we had a little container. This is, by the way, this is one of the beautiful containers from Thermomix too. And here is our pizza dough. Look how beautiful. So let me see, it's so close. Do you see it? So I'm going to take a little piece to show you before I move it into the container. And look how elastic and beautiful is this dough. Okay, it's beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna put this one away, and I'm gonna add the pizza dough in our container. 1 second. Usually don't even have almost to touch it. Okay, let me see. Yeah, it's all in there. It's only one little piece. Perfectly clean. Perfectly clean. And that's it. So the pizza dough, it's here. I'm going to just give them a little bit of a shape. As I said, they prepare into a bowl. So I'm just gonna give it a little bit of the shape, right? And now I'm gonna cover with maybe here, right? Perfect, one pizza dough. This is our piece that we're using to play, but I'm going to cover the bowl now with the plastic wrap or cling wrap or pellicola, whatever you guys call it, and let it rise. So it's gonna rise for about an hour. It's gonna double in size, and then it's gonna be ready to be used for any pizza dough we need it. Okay, this was my quick video how to make a pizza dough with the Thermomix in a couple of minutes. And I hope you enjoyed the video. My name is Maddalena Palescandro. I'm a Thermomix independent consultant, and I'd love to share my passion about Thermomix with you. Thank you.